गोंयचे मतदारांचे लिस्ट ब्रेस्तारा पब्लीश जालें। 8 जानेर मेरेन नवे वोटर्स आपले नांव लिस्टात घालूंक शकतात। उपरांत तें शक्य ना म्हूण गोंयचे वेंचणूक आयोगान स्पश्ट केलां। लोकांचे एपिक कार्ड अखेर 15 ते 20 जानेर मेरेन तांचे मेरेन पावतलीं। 4 फेब्रुवाराक जावपा आशिल्ले इलेक्शनाक मतदारांनी मोठ्या संख्येन भायर सरचे म्हूण इलेक्शन कमिशनान एक पदूय रिलीज केलां।
In a small state like Goa, the scrutiny levels of the work performed by public authority is also easy to measure. The universe, the context is limited. It is quantifiable much faster. It's going to be 30 short days for the actual poll in Goa, and of course, the counting would be 11th March. All the support and necessary requirement of the CO office. We are in continuous coordination and touch. The right of way for this particular and important task belongs to the CO office, and I'm sure that with everybody's cooperation and help, the election will be conducted in a fair and a very, very successful manner.
We are trying to deliver within 2 weeks' time, maximum by 15th to 20th. We will deliver 100% epics. So they should just wait, have faith in the election machinery. The printing is going on at war footing level, and it's working on 24/7 shift. All 3 shifts they are working, and we will deliver it within the time so that they should be able to vote. And all the voters must check, because today is the day when we are publishing. So all this data will be available on our website. They must check, find their name. If there's something still correction, addition, deletion is required. Those who are not happy with the disposal by ERO, they can file the appeal before the DEO. So all channels are available. The window is only 4 days, up to 8th. After 8th, no form. We may take the form, but disposal will be after the elections. Election is a festival of voters, democracy. All should participate in a free, fair manner, without any inducement, without any favor to anyone, and completely having a rational choice. And we from the election machinery will ensure that all the instructions issued by Honorable Election Commission of India or provided under the law, it will be implemented to the true letter and spirit. Thank you. So bikes, the use will be restricted only for campaign purpose, and in no circumstances they will be allowed to move in a convoy of more than 10 bikes at a time. If there are more than 10 bikes, there has to be a mandatory break in the convoy so that normal traffic can also move. Only one flag of dimension 2 feet by 1 feet can be fixed on the bike. 2 feet by 1 feet of flag can be put on a bike, and length of pole or stick on the bike to put the flag shall not be more than 3 feet. Prior permission for road show shall be taken from the competent authority. In order to avoid inconvenience to general public, these should be permitted only on holidays and during non-peak hours. On routes other than having big hospital, trauma centers, blood banks and heavily crowded market. The road shows shall not cover more than half the road width to ensure safety of the general public. The convoy of vehicles being used in road shows shall be broken after every 10 vehicles, and a gap of 200 meters would be maintained. Combination, how many persons can enter? 5. 1 plus 4. That too from the only one door. From the public places 759 in North Goa and 2621 in South Goa, that is totaling 3380. These cases have been recorded, and number of defacement removal is 636. Similarly, from the private property in North Goa, posters 106, 107, banners North Goa 161, South Goa 117, 278, others 17 in North Goa, so total 402 cases.
डिसेंबरा उपरांत पोन्न्यो 1500च्यो नोटी फक्त रिझर्व्ह बँकेच्या कावंटरांचेर डिपॉझिट करपाचे घोशणेचेर सरकारान यू टर्न मारिल्ल्यान बोवाळ पडला। रिझर्व्ह बँक आता म्हणटा ही सुविधा फक्त NRI खातीर. तेच आता पोन्न्यो नोटी डिपॉझिट करूंक शकतात. रेजिडेंट भारतीयांक न्ही, फायनान्स मिनिस्टरान ते RBIचे डिसिजन म्हणून हात वयर काढले. लोक मोदीच्या नावान शबय घालतात.
के पास 50 दिन की सुविधा थी और बड़ी से बड़ी मात्रा में लोग आ चुके हैं, तो परेशानी वाले तो बचे ही बहुत कम है अब.
But sir, if genuinely some people could not deposit the money earlier for whatever
देखिए,
reason.
no, we don't go into whatever reasons. The RBI has fixed their own criteria, and at least I will respect that.
सीमा के अंदर अर्थात 30 दिसंबर 2016 तक पुराने नोट किसी कारणवश अगर जमा नहीं कर पाए, उनको 500 और 1000 रुपए के पुराने नोट बदलने का एक आखिरी अवसर भी दिया जाएगा. ऐसे लोग रिजर्व बैंक के निर्धारित ऑफिस में अपनी राशि एक घोषणा पत्र यानी डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म के साथ 31 मार्च 2017 तक जमा करवा सकते हैं.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.